Welcome to Facts of Birds channel. Today, we are talking about white-bellied sea eagle. Let's go to the video and don't forget to subscribe. The white-bellied sea eagle, also known as the white-breasted sea eagle, is a large diurnal bird of prey in the family Accipitridae. Originally described by Johann Friedrich Gmelin in 1788, it is closely related to Sanford sea eagle of the Solomon Islands, and the two are considered a superspecies. A distinctive bird, the adult white-bellied sea eagle has a white head, breast, under, wing coverts, and tail. The upper parts are gray, and the black underwing flight feathers contrast with the white coverts. The tail is short and wedge-shaped as in all Haliida species. Like many raptors, the female is slightly larger than the male, and can measure up to 90 centimeters long with a wingspan of up to 2.2 meters and weigh 4.5 kilograms. Immature birds have brown plumage, which is gradually replaced by white until the age of 5 or 6 years. The call is a loud goose-like honking. The white-bellied sea eagle is a large diurnal bird of prey that breeds and hunts near water, and fish form around half of its diet. This bird has a white head, rump and underparts, and dark or slate, gray back and wings. In flight, the black flight feathers on the wings are easily seen when the bird is viewed from below. The large, hooked bill is a leaden blue, gray with a darker tip, and the eyes are dark brown. The legs and feet are yellow or gray, with long black talons. Immature birds have brown plumage, which is gradually replaced by white until the age of 5 or 6 years. White-bellied sea eagles are found regularly from Mumbai eastwards in India, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka in southern Asia, through all of coastal Southeast Asia including Burma, Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, Indochina, the main and offshore islands of the Philippines, and southern China including Hong Kong, Hainan, and Fuzhou, eastwards through New Guinea and the Bismarck Archipelago, and Australia. In the northern Solomons, they are restricted to Nisan Island. These birds occur mainly in coastal areas, islands, estuaries, but also in large inland water bodies, lakes, rivers, and wetlands. They usually breed near the water with some forest cover or in rocky areas. White-bellied sea eagles are generally territorial. Some birds form permanent pairs that inhabit territories there throughout the year, while others are nomadic. Immature birds are generally dispersive, with many moving over 50 kilometers away from the area they were raised. These birds are diurnal and often seen perched high in a tree, or soaring over waterways and adjacent land. They spend time singly or in pairs. Small groups of white-bellied sea eagles sometimes gather if there is a plentiful source of food, such as a carcass or fish offal on a ship. A pair may cooperate to hunt. During hunting, the bird prepares for the strike by holding its feet far forward and then strikes backwards, while simultaneously beating its wings to lift upwards. Generally, only one foot is used to seize prey. These large birds of prey have a large goose-like horn that can be heard, especially during the breeding season. The male's call is higher pitch and faster than the female's. The breeding season varies by location. It occurs during the dry season in Papua New Guinea and from June to August in Australia. These birds usually choose tall trees or man-made towers for nests. The nest is a large, deep bowl made of sticks and twigs and lined with material such as grass or seaweed. The female usually lays to dark, white, oval eggs that are incubated 6 weeks before hatching. When the eagle hatches from the egg, it is covered in white. Eaglets usually fledge 70 to 80 days of age and remain around the parent's territory for up to 6 months or until the next breeding season. They mainly hunt aquatic animals such as fish, turtles, and sea snakes, but they also take birds and mammals such as little penguins, Eurasian coots, and shearwaters.